Okay, this video is to help you get started on the e-learning assignment for today. Okay, you're writing linear equations from graphs. Okay, it's just under Friday in your module. Okay, you want to click on the blue title once you open up the lesson. Okay, the first page, when you first open it up, you're going to have the directions, and I'll go over a problem so you'll see how it works anyway. You do have to click problems to get to the first, to get to the set of problems. You got to click problems. And I'll just show you an example. Let's jump to problem 2. Okay, so what you're going to do, they're going to give you a graph. You want to come up with the equation. Okay, you're going to put the slope in the first box underneath the graph, the y-intercept in the second, and the equation underneath the whole thing. And every time you get something right, part of this band will turn color, I think brown, showing you're doing okay. The rectangles turn green to show that they're right. And you'll get an image to pop up when you're all done. Okay, you do want to write your answer with no spaces. Okay, so let's just do problem 2. Okay, I first need to find the slope. Okay, slope is rise over run. If it was me, I would first kind of think about the sign of the slope first. Okay, remember the skier? That when the skier is going down this hill, nice negative. Okay, negative slope. So the slope's negative. Okay, rise over run is slope. So I'm going to travel from one point to another. I'm going to go up or down first. Okay, I always go up or down first. So I'm going to go down. I have to go down. So I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the slope is negative 4/3. Just type it in with a slash. And then click off of it. Okay, it'll turn green. And do make sure your slope is reduced. Okay, let's say I typed it as negative 8/6. I mean, of course, you wouldn't have had that many spaces to count, but if you did, negative 8/6 wouldn't have been reduced. This would have been red. Okay, so just make sure it's reduced. Okay, remember no mixed numbers for slope. We don't like mixed numbers. Okay, so the y-intercept is next. Okay, look at the y-axis. Okay, this is the starting amount on the y-axis, the initial amount. Okay, let's see, 1, 2, 3, negative 4 is the y-intercept. So type in negative 4, click off of it, turn green. That means I'm doing good. Okay, now I need to type in the equation. To type in the equation, I'm going to type in y equals. Okay, no spaces in between. I know it looks better if you put spaces in between parts of your equation, but don't do it. Okay, y equals, slope comes first, which is negative 4/3. Type that in, then type in the x, and at the very end of your equation, you're going to type in the y-intercept. Now, if it was a positive y-intercept, you would want to have a plus sign in front of it. Okay, don't be confused there. But the y-intercept is a negative 4. So I'm going to type in negative 4 and click off of it. Okay, so I get all 3 pieces to be green, showing me that they're right. And I even get like a sticker, like an image to pop up, showing me the whole thing's right. Okay, guys, let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have any questions at all. Please be safe. The roads are really, really slick. If you go out, please be careful. Okay, I hope you guys have a good weekend.